Hello everyone. My name is Zafri. You can call me Cikgu Zap or Sir Zap or even Encik Zap. Anything that you are comfortable with. So today we are back with a quadratic equation for Maths Form 4. Right. So the mic should be good. Hope you guys can hear me. Okay. I think we will wait for a few minutes until a few students arrive so that less people will be left behind. So today we are going to discuss a few problems, a few SPM level problems on quadratic equation. So how are you guys doing this morning? I hope everyone is good. I hope you had a good start for today. So quadratic equation is the second topic, or second chapter in uh, in the Form 4 syllabus. One of the common questions, common topic in SPM, there should be at least one problem involving quadratic equation in paper 1 usually. Let me get my pen. Okay, so this is a mind map from onlinetuition.com.my. Uh, it's a good website if you want to make a quick revision on any SPM topic. Okay, so let's just go through this very quickly. Maybe some of you cannot see this if you are using your phone, so it's fine. Let me just show this. Okay, so what is quadratic equation? So quadratic equation is an equation with this form. So we have this is- okay, in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, and c are constant. So x is our variable. Okay, so the highest power of an unknown of a quadratic equation is 2. So if you have any variable in the quadratic equation, the highest power should be 2. So if we have higher than this, then it is not a quadratic equation anymore. Okay, so what is roots? So roots usually we denote as alpha and beta. Okay, so roots are what values such that if we enter it into the equation, then the equation will become how should I say? Okay, if we put we replace x with alpha or beta, then the equation should become 0. So that what it means to be the root. Okay, to solve quadratic equation, you can use either factorization, or you can use completing the square, or simply just use the formula. Okay, and then how to form a quadratic equation from roots. There are many questions involving this. So you are given the root of one equation, and then we need to make a new equation, a new quadratic equation from the roots. We'll see some question after this. Okay, and then this one. We have okay. There are 3 different types of root. So first, the quadratic equation has 2 real and different roots. two real and equal roots, or it doesn't have any real roots. So it determined by this b squared minus 4ac. B squared minus 4ac. Okay, we need to check whether this b squared minus 4ac is larger than 0, equal to 0, or less than 0. So if it is larger than 0, then the quadratic equation has two real different roots. If it is less than 0, it doesn't have any real root. And if it is equals to 0, then it should have only, it still has two roots, but the two roots are equal. Okay, so that's basically the summary of a quadratic equation. Okay, so let's get to our first question for the day. Okay, so we are given the quadratic equation x times x minus 5 over 3 is equals to 2. Okay, so we have this equation, this quadratic equation, but oops, but it is not in the usual form. Okay, so what is the usual form? This form. Okay, so we need to express this equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, should be simple enough. So what we do, we use the same color. Okay, we have x over x times x minus 5 divided by 3 minus 5 divided by 3 equals to 2. Hi Alia. So Nurul Tausa already answered x squared minus 5x minus 2. Okay, let's see if you are correct. You should be correct. Okay, so we bring this 3 to the right side. So it becomes x minus 5 equals 6. Okay, and then we multiply this x. So x times x squared, x times x becomes x squared, and x times negative 5. So we have x squared minus 5x equals 6. Right, Min Olivia also got the same answer, x squared minus 5x minus 6. So we have x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Okay, so this is our answer. X squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. So now this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, where a is equals to 1. We don't have to write this, but it's good for our mental note. So a equals to 1, b is equals to negative 5, and c is equals to negative 6. Okay, so this is our answer. Doing straight line is always the worst thing that I can do. Okay. So we have our equation in the quadratic form, the the common form. So now we need to state the product of roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so which one is the product of the roots? We have sum of the root, and we also have product of the root. So which one do you think it is? Negative 6. Okay, so Min Olivia answered negative 6. Okay, so wait. Okay, so given any quadratic equation, we have this x minus uh, alpha plus beta, x squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Okay, so compare sorry, this is equals to 0. So comparing this line with, okay, this is if and only if. So we want to compare with x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Okay. So our product of root should be the one that should be the constant, the one that doesn't multiply with any of the x, not with x squared and not with x. Okay. So we have here this one, negative 6. So our product of roots should be negative 6. Okay, so Nurul Kausar got negative 6. Yep. Hasil darab punca sama dengan negative 6 ke? Yes. Actually, it's negative 6. And creativity blog also got the answer. EB equals to 6. Yep. Alright, you guys got this. So this is the answer. Negative 6. Okay, so we're done with B. So now we continue with C. Determine the type of root of the equation. Tentukan jenis punca bagi bersamaan itu. Okay, so type of roots, there are 3 types. So we have two and distinct or two and different roots. We have two and equal roots, and we also have no real roots. Okay, so how to determine that? We need to use b squared minus 4ac. So b squared minus 4ac. So we need to determine whether this value is larger than 0, equal 0, or less than 0. Okay, Kausa got 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have A equals to 1, B equals negative 5, C equals negative 6. Let's see if you're correct. Okay, so B squared, we have negative 5 squared minus 4, A equals to 1, and then C equals to negative 6. Okay, so you got V squared minus 4AC equals to 1. Okay, and then because it is larger than 0, then it has two real roots and different. Okay, let's see. So negative 5 squared is equals to 25. So negative times negative positive, or anything to the power of 2 is positive. So 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, and 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. But we have minus negative 24, like this. So this is equals to, sorry. Betul kan? Okay, b squared 25. Yeah, 49. Okay, so this is 25 plus 24, which is equals to 49. Okay, so 49 is larger than 0. Therefore, we have the type of root equation. So we have x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0 has two real and different roots. Okay. Alright, so we are done with our first question. If you do you have any question? If you have any, okay, I'll give you around 1 minute or less. Around more or less 1 minute. If you have any question, just type in the chat, and I'll try to give some explanation. But this we just deal with the basic of quadratic equation, so that should be fine. Right, Nurul Kausa is okay. It's just a minor, what do you call, your minor mistake, the negative and positive. Yeah, sometimes that will make a lot of changes. Okay, to our answer. So just be careful in the future. Okay, should be fine. I don't think you have any questions. Okay, meanwhile, we can move on to the next question. Okay, so still, we are dealing with the quadratic equation form, and we are dealing with uh, still the type of roots. Okay, given the quadratic equation, x squared plus 2a times x minus a equals 5a minus 2. Okay, we have this. Atau diberi persamaan kuadratik x squared tambah 2a darab x tolak 1 sama dengan 5a tolak 2. Jadi, express x in terms of a atau ungkapkan x dalam sebutan a. Macam mana? How to do this? Okay, express x in term of a. Hmm. Let me rewrite that. X squared minus plus 2a minus x minus a times x minus a x squared plus 2a minus sorry, plus 2a times x minus a uh, equals 5a minus. Okay, so since we want to express x in term of a, actually the question asks us to practically it asks us to solve this problem. Okay, let's do that. So one good way is we simply expand this so that we can rewrite this in quadratic equation form. So this is 2a squared, okay, minus 5a plus 2, so equals 0. Okay, so what we have here is a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2a. Okay, since we have x squared over here, we have x here, and all the leftovers at the right here uh, doesn't have any x. So these three terms are actually c. So c is equals to negative 2a squared minus 5a plus 2. Apa beza kuadratik dalam maths dengan maths? Apa beza? Surprisingly, it's not a question that I can answer. I haven't take a look at the maths, the quadratic equation in maths. Maybe actually Cikgu Fahmi can enlighten us. Apa beza quadratic dalam maths dengan maths? Hmm, okay, so kalau you guys remember, there are three ways to solve a quadratic equation. The first is to factor. Second is to more alphabets. uh, Second is by completing the square, and the third one is to use the formula. So the formula is, I can write it here. So x is equals to negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4 this thing. Alright. B squared minus 4 AC. More calculation that might give you hang wire if you don't understand. Okay, what I believe, of course, the question in maths should be harder. I think in maths the quadratic equation is more introductory, but I cannot confirm that right now. If you guys have the answer, please do let me know. Minus b, negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Beza yang ketara dalam method, okay, I'll translate that. So the obvious difference is in the method to solve for the roots. In maths, we have completing the square and formula, while in maths we only use factorization. I see. So I learned something new today. Thank you, Cikgu Fahmi. I appreciate that. Okay, so since we want x in term of a, so what it means actually we need to solve this. Okay, this is a bit bad because we have a here, okay, and then we have another a here. So to not get confused, let me change this a bit. Yeah, I can use mathematical notation, but okay, let's just use a bar. Just to differentiate this a and this a. So here also a. All right. So to solve this, okay. So plus roots for modern mathematics usually either whole number or fraction. But at math, it can also be irrational numbers. I see. So usually in maths, you should be getting a nice answer. But in maths, you usually don't expect to get a nice root. The root usually involves some irrational numbers, which means uh, the number has the decimal of the number goes on forever. Usually you need a calculator to solve that. Okay, so anyhow, back to this question. So we have x. Okay, just plug in. So so b, so negative b is negative 2a plus minus square root. For me, is enjoying this. B squared. So 2a squared minus 4. A is 1. 1. So c, negative 2a squared minus 5a plus 2. Okay, of course, I cannot do straight lines properly. So we cheat here. Okay, over 2a. So this is just over 2. Right, this is a bit long, but it's fine. So negative 2a plus minus 4a squared minus. Okay, we can leave this 4 here actually. Negative 2a minus 5a plus 2. Okay. I think this should be okay. We can just leave it at this form. Okay, but if you want to properly expand the 4 inside, it's also fine. Let's do that. Plus minus. By the way, how's your guys' day? I hope it's still morning, 11:27. But I hope you have a good day today. Everything is good on your side. It's 2A only. Which one? Which one? The 2A only? Okay, so let me check. This is negative B. Oops. This is negative B. So this is minus 2A. So inside is B squared minus 4AC. Kuasa 2, Pak Cikgu, kuasa 2 tak ada ke Cikgu? Tak ada. This is kuasa 2. Wait. You guys are making me nervous. Let me check that. Okay. We have, okay. So this is the formula. X equals to negative B plus minus B squared minus 4AC. This is wrong. Actually, over 2A, not over 4A. Okay. So negative B plus minus square root B squared minus 4AC. So yeah, this is correct. I don't see anything wrong. Okay. If there's anything wrong, just let me know. Okay. Rewind time. Which one is 2A only? Okay. Alright. It's okay. It's a good practice to check everything thoroughly. So this is 2A times X. So X squared plus 2AX. So minus A. So 2A times A is negative 2A squared. Okay. So we bring 5A and 5A minus 2 to the left side. So this is minus 5A plus 2. Okay. So this should be good. Okay. So this is 4A squared uh, plus, okay, negative 4 times negative 2A. So plus 8A, negative 4. Oh yeah, this is squared. No. Okay. So this is C. So C is negative 2A squared minus 5A plus 2. Okay. Alright, so we have squared over here. So this is squared. Uh, so negative 4 times negative 5A, this is 20A. So negative 4 times 2, this is negative 8 over 2. Alright, so we have 4 squared here. We have A squared and A squared. So it's good to group them together. So we have negative 2A plus minus 12A squared plus 20A minus 8. Okay, if there is, I hope there isn't, but if there is any mistake that I made on the way to solve this, just let me know. Okay. All right. So we should be good. Rewind time, yeah. Rewind all the way because that's what we're going to do a lot. Okay, so negative 2A plus minus square root 12A squared plus 20A minus 8 over 2. Okay, so this is X in term of A. So if I didn't do anything wrong, then this should be the answer. Yes, Amirta, what what no? Which part of no are you referring about? So this is negative B. Okay. Let me check. This is negative b. Okay, so b is 2a. This one plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac. So b squared is 2a. So 2a squared or 2a times 2a is 4a squared. So this is 4a squared minus 4. A is 1. So simply change 1. No mistake. C is negative 2a squared minus 5a minus plus 2. Divide by 2a. So this is actually 2 times 1. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, so this should be good. Alright, thank you Amita. So no mistake. Nurul Kausar, you got the same answer. Dapat jawapan yang sama You got it. Alright, good, good. Oh, actually, I didn't provide much space for this. Okay, it's okay. So find the range of A when X is real roots. Okay, so actually when X has real roots, not when X is betul lah. When X is real roots. Okay, so find the range of values of A when X is real roots. So what we need to do, because we know it is real, it has real roots. Yes, S here, S. So we know b squared minus 4ac is larger than 0. Okay, so as for range, so we know it should be larger than not equals to. Okay, so what is b squared minus 4ac? We have it over here. Okay, so this is our b squared. Okay, so this is our b squared minus 4ac. Okay, I should provide more space for this, but okay, so okay, going through. Okay, I changed the color a bit. So we have 12a squared plus 20a minus 8 is larger than 0. Okay, because this quadratic equation, it has real roots. So we can divide this by 4. So 4, we can factor 4 and divide by 4, the same thing. So 3a squared plus 5a minus 2. Alright, larger than 0. So we have 3a squared plus 5a minus 2 larger than 0. Okay. So answer A like that. Yep, we need to answer A like that. Okay, one by one. Alright, so we need to factorize this. 3a squared plus 5a minus 2. Of course, you can simply press calculator since we need to do some factorization for A here. You can use, what do you call? You can use calculator. It's fine. You can do it manually. Either is fine. Okay. Or you can, if you want to do manually, so we know you need to do some you need to try a few things. Anyway, so if you just press your calculator, you get this 3a. Okay, I know this is 1 a and 2 plus 2 minus 1. This is larger than 0. Alright, so we have 3a minus 1 times a plus 2 larger than 0. Okay, so if you expand this, if you expand this one, you should get this one back. You can try. Okay, anyhow, so we have here, so we need to find the range of A. So this is, if you do like this. Okay, so we can rewrite this as this, make it 1 over 3 A plus 2. Okay, so we have negative 2 here, and we have 1 over 3 here. Since it is larger than 0, so it is above the graph, this one. Okay, so the value of A, the range of A is this. So we need to have A uh, less than negative 2 and A larger than 1 over 3. Okay. So this is our answer. So the range of A is A less than negative 2 and A larger than 1 over 3. So Amrita, you got the same answer as mine. Yes, you got the same answer. So A less than negative 2, or oh, actually it's not N. It cannot be N. My bad. There's no way A can be less than 2 and then larger than 1 over 3 at the same time. So A less than negative 2 or A larger than 1 over 3. Okay, so good job everyone. I think most of you got the answer. Okay, I'll give you around 1 minute. If you have any question, do let me know. Maybe you need some time to digest. Maybe you are trying at home. So please do take your time. Okay, so little Coco also got the answer. All right, good. That's awesome. You guys are awesome. Okay, why lorek luar? Uh, okay, good. Actually good. What do you call? Good question. Okay, first thing first, because the A, okay, we have A squared. Okay, and this is positive. The what do you call? The 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 coefficient. The coefficient is positive. So the graph looks like a smile. If the coefficient is negative, then it's upside down. Okay. And then since we have larger than 0, okay, so we lorek kan. What is lorek in English? So anyhow, we lorek the one that are above the horizontal line. If it is less than 0, then we lorek the one below. Shade. Is lorek shade? Yeah. Usually we use shade. Yeah, coefficient equals per kali. Yeah, sometimes the word is there, but to get it out of the tip of the mouth. Yeah, thank you, Fami. Yeah, shade. Yep, yep. Actually, my brain is not working in the morning. I work best during the night. And I swear that is not an excuse. Cikgu tak lapar. Of course I am hungry. I would be surprised if you are not hungry. Cikgu Fahmi tak lapar eh? Alright, so we go to the next question. We have around 19 minutes. Should be one more problem or two, depending on the length. The next one. Nice one. Okay, so this is also range of value of p. Range, so it's fine. We already did the range problem over here, so we can skip this for now. Let's try this one. Anyone also feeling the hunger with me? If you if you are fasting, then you should be hungry. If you are not fasting, then please do have your breakfast. Don't forget to have your breakfast. Okay. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. So this is important. Form a quadratic equation which has roots of alpha over 2 and beta over 2. Soalan 3 markah biasanya 4.5 minit masa menjawab. I see. That's a good estimate. So what? Each each mark should contribute 1.5 minutes. So if the question is 4 marks, then you need to spend 6 minutes then? Yeah, Fahmi here is a more experienced teacher than me. Yeah, he's a good teacher. If you guys see any uh, live video with the name Cikgu Fahmi, you guys should definitely check him. Okay, satu markah around 1.5 minutes. Yeah, okay. Okay, if alpha, okay, dah baca tadi kan. Alright, so from here we need to check first which okay, how to connect alpha and beta with x squared plus 5x minus 2. That's Olympiad teacher. Mathematics engineering, who are you? I want to know. Nah, I'm not that good of a teacher, but I'll try my best to share what I have. Okay, so anyhow, we need to find, okay, from this equation, x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. This is much better. X squared plus, sorry, x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so we need to determine first which one is alpha plus beta. And we need to determine also which one is alpha times beta. So this is the product of roots. This is the sum of roots. So Nurul Kausa already, what did you do? Oh, you already got the answer. X squared plus 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Okay, let's see if you got the answer correct. Okay, so alpha plus beta here, or negative alpha plus beta is equals to 5. Okay, so negative alpha plus beta is simply negative b, and alpha times beta is negative 2. Yeah, honey, I am one of the Maths Olympiad coach. Ah, ah, I don't know how to respond to that. Well, just because I'm a Maths Olympiad coach doesn't mean I'm always good at teaching at Maths and Maths. Okay, it's two different things. But I can say if you are good in Olympiad Maths, then you should be good in at Maths and Maths. Anyhow, Cikgu Zab coach national team kot. It means nothing much. I only do the background job. There are many more people who should deserve that title. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so now we need to find our new equation, which involve this x squared minus alpha over 2 plus beta over 2 x plus alpha over 2 times beta over 2 equals 0. Okay. There are many ways to write this if you get the answer. So Nurul Kausa, or you just rewrite the answer. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so x squared minus okay, so we have the same denominator, so we can simply add them. So this is alpha plus beta over 2 plus alpha beta over 4 equals 0. Okay, let me just rewrite this a bit. So x squared minus alpha plus beta over 2 x plus alpha beta over 4 equals 0. Okay, it's not that much of a difference, but it's important because we want to use these two. Okay, so we have negative alpha plus beta equals to 5. So we can simply plug into here. So x squared okay, I'm confused. Okay, so this is plus 5 over 2 x. So alpha beta is equals negative 2. So this is negative 2 over 4 or negative 1 over 2. Okay, just to not make you confused, I'll do this one by one. So this is x squared plus 5 over 2x minus 1 over 2 equals 0. Okay, so you can leave it in this form. It's fine because we already have 0 over here. Or if you want to make it more proper, no, if you don't want the denominator, you don't want the coefficients to be in what do you call to have fractions, then simply times everything with 2. So we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals 0. Okay. So Nurul Kausa, our answer is the same. Okay, good. Actually, Nurul Kausa should teach me. I'm doing it slow. She's doing much faster than me. Very good. Amirta, you might want to check your answer again. 2x squared plus 10x minus 1. Okay, let me triple check my answer. Maybe I'm the one doing it wrong. X squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Okay. So we have, okay, this is what is given. So alpha and beta is our root. So we have negative alpha plus beta equals 5, or alpha plus beta equals negative 5 is the same. So alpha beta equals negative 2. Okay. So we do one by one. Okay, so 5x. All right. So the answer should be 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. So, ta-da, we got the answer. All right, good job, everyone. Everyone who's trying, even if you're not trying, at least if you can understand, then I'm more than happy enough. Okay, so Cikgu Fahmi and Cikgu Hani both are good teachers. They teach way better than me. Sometimes I learn a lot from them too. Okay, so should be simple. No. Okay, so this is good. 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. So we have around 9 minutes. So we can do one more question. Not one more question, one more question. I have a lot of questions, a lot of problems. So it's okay. All right. So this is the same form of question, which means we are given the quadratic equation. We are given alpha and beta are the roots. So we need to find a new quadratic equation. But this one is a bit different. This is 2 over A, and oh sorry, 2 over alpha and 2 over beta. So let's see. Okay, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0 from the quadratic equation that has 2 over alpha and 2 over beta as its roots. Jangan mengumpat tak baik bulan puasa ni. I'm not ngumpat. I'm saying good things about you. Always good things, Fahmi. Always good things. Okay. So back to this. Okay. It's good to rewrite what is important. The information that we can get from the problems. So x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so from this, we can check that actually negative alpha plus beta is also, not also, is equal negative 5. Is equal 5. And then alpha beta is equal 3. Okay, the way they give you this problem, the quadratic equation, is such that you cannot find alpha and beta in, okay, like this. Alpha and beta are not whole number or fraction. Should be irrational number. So you cannot find the individual number of alpha and beta in a whole number. So we need to do it one by one like this. And the Rukasa actually answered so quick. Alright, very good. Okay, one by one. So we need to find our new equation, which involve what was it? 2 over alpha and 2 over beta. Okay, so the new equation should be in the form of x squared mm, 2 over alpha plus 2 over beta times x plus 2 over alpha times 2 over beta. Okay, so this should be equal 0. Okay, so to make it into a proper form, x squared minus, okay, so the denominator is not the same. So we need to make sure the denominator are the same, denominators are the same. So we times uh, this one with beta. So this is 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha over 2 alpha beta. Alright, seems like you guys got the answer. Okay, let me do this one by one. Okay, it's okay. You guys just go ahead. You guys don't need to wait for me. Equal 0. Okay, so we have x squared minus uh 2 alpha plus 2 beta over 2 alpha beta plus 4 over alpha beta equals 0. Okay, so we have uh, alpha plus beta here. This is equals to 5. We have also alpha beta. So we can find this. We can find this. Okay, but let me just change, not change it. Just a minor change to the form so that it can be helpful to us. Uh, 2, okay, alpha plus beta. Okay, I forgot the x here. Should be x and x like this over 2. Okay, okay, okay. My brain is not working in the morning. Okay, that is not an excuse. So no 2 here. I don't know why I put 2 over there. Eh, my bad. You guys should have corrected me. Okay, so this is alpha beta. Um, X plus 4 over alpha beta. Okay. So negative a plus b is negative 5, is 5. So we have x squared minus 2 times 5. Ha, 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 ha. Okay, okay. Am I doing this correctly? Wait, wait. Give me this. Oh, okay, I know what I did wrong. So negative a plus beta, this is negative 5, not 5. Okay, creativity block got the answer. Atin fee, you deleted your message. It's okay, take your time. So this is negative 5 over alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal 3, right? Okay, so over 3x plus 4 over 3 equals 0. Okay, so we have x squared minus, so minus a negative times negative. This is 10 over 3x plus 4 over 3 equals 0. Is this plus? Okay, okay, no, no. Negative a plus b. So negative and negative. So actually, no need to change this. This is just 5. So this is negative. Okay. You guys got it correct. Okay. So you can leave it in this form, or if you don't want the fraction, so simply just times the whole equation with 3. So we have 3x squared minus 10x plus uh 4 equals 0. Hasil tambah 5. Okay, it depends on how you write the negative actually. Sebab bila kita buat, okay, so macam ni. The sum of root is alpha plus beta equals negative b over a. So cara saya tulis, what I did is I use the negative. So negative alpha plus beta. So okay, these two are the same. So you can write alpha plus beta equals to 5, or negative alpha plus beta equals negative 5. Doesn't matter. So these two are the same. Whichever yang you guys lebih prefer. So ada cikgu, maybe dia nak ingatkan student there are negative here, so you use negative. But it's okay, either is fine. Whichever yang won't get you confused, like I did. Okay, thank you, for the question. All right, so it's 12:01 p.m. So it's already been 1 hour since we started. So this is where we end our session for today. Alright, I hope you guys learned something new, or if you even didn't learn something new, then I hope at least it refreshes your mind on how to answer quadratic equations problem. I'll be online also this Friday at the same time, 11 a.m., but for Form 5. So I'll be doing Form 5 at Maths, for what do you call that? Progression. Uh, Even if you are Form 4, you can join the class. It's fine. At least you can learn a lot early, so that next year you can start easier. Okay, so thank you everyone for being here. I really appreciate you guys making the chat happening. Okay, for making me not feeling alone. Actually. Okay, so thank you creativity blog. Thank you Nurul Kausa. Thank you Atin P. Actually I misclick. Your syllabus got progressions. All right. Oh, okay. Progression in Form 4. So it's okay. Everyone can join. Okay. So thank you Atin P. Thank you Nurul. Thank you Amirta. Thank you Fahmi. Cikgu Fahmi. Thank you Cikgu Hani. Thank you Little Coco. Thank you Min Olivia. Thank you Darshan. Right. Anyone else I miss? Thank you, Aliyah Maisara, for being here. Okay, so I'll see you guys again on Friday. If not on Friday, then and on next week. All right. So thank you again. I hope you have a good day. Take care of your health. Take care of your family. Uh, Wash your hands. Take care of your physical health, mental health, and always, always don't forget to learn something new every day. Okay. Bye bye. So I can just stop sharing and I can just go out.